Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the recent software update to Huawei Assistant app. Huawei Assistant is Huawei's answer to Google Assistant, and the Chinese tech giant is working hard to bring new features to this smart assistant. This is because the company wants to make it more competent and bring a whole new user experience to increase its reach among consumers. Although the current changes in the Huawei Assistant are enough to prove its capabilities in the software world, but Huawei continues to increase the number of new additions to this mobile application for further improvements. As recently, Huawei has released a new app update for the Huawei Assistant that brings quite an interesting features and optimizations that further improves the app in different aspects. The latest update installs new changes in the card system that now allows users to press and hold a card and change its position by dragging and dropping throughout the entire section. Most importantly, you can also change the card in big and small sizes to show more or less content for a respective card, which helps to make the moment's layout more interesting. Moreover, the Discover option is now a part of the Moment section. Once clicked, it leads you to the Discover page. From here, you can select available services and add them into the Moment section. Aside from the user interface, the update also installs new changes in the settings menu, which added My Services to the avatar menu to quickly view added services and review them. Also, the personal information is added to manage mobile number information. Users can pull the top part and see the greetings on the top part of the home page. That's all this update has to offer, but from our perspective, the new changes has increased the productivity of the users and made the Huawei Assistant app more better and interactive. That's all that this update has to offer, but from our perspective, the new changes has increased the productivity of the users and made the Huawei Assistant app more better and interactive. If you want to download the latest Huawei Assistant APK, get it through the link in the description or visit huaweicentral.com. That's it for today. Until then, be connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment, and press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel for fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com